Welcome to our Sustainable House Tour. We begin today by acknowledging the Gundungurra people, traditional custodians of the land on which this Sustainable House Tour was filmed, and pay our respects to the elders past and present. We extend that respect to the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples joining this event. This video will highlight some of the unique design features that help to create a delicate balance of luxury and sustainability. The first design feature of this home is orientation and window positioning, with the key objective being to capture as much of the sun's energy as possible in winter and to prevent excessive heating in the summer. As such, the main windows are positioned along the east, north and west walls to allow different areas in the house to capture the sun's energy from sunrise through to sunset in the winter season when the sun is closer to the horizon. And to keep the home cool on hot summer days, heavy-duty curtains have been installed with a custom-made wooden pelmet. Then there are two powerful fans with summer and winter cycles and a ducted air conditioning system that can be powered by the solar system. The second design feature is a focus on thermal mass, which allows the home to retain and store thermal energy to reduce heating and cooling costs. The main thermal masses include the polished concrete floor, natural stones around the fireplace, ceramic tiles, and Venetian plaster on the walls. With this approach, the home remains cooler for longer on hot days, and during the winter season, it retains the heat that accumulates throughout the day. Insulation is another important feature that reduces the energy required to maintain a comfortable temperature throughout the home. As such, this home was built with double insulation on the roof, double glazed windows, and additionally, the aluminium window frames themselves also have a thermal break to counter the conductive nature of aluminium. The timbercrete walls are another major component for insulating the home due to their high wood content and hence lower density compared to more traditional materials. The fourth feature is simplicity of design. The simple cube-like design of this home ensures a smaller overall surface area to floor area ratio, and this results in less thermal losses and greater efficiency. This is because more complex shapes will have a larger surface area and hence a larger heat exchange rate with the outside environment. Next up, open plan living and smart layout further contribute to this home's efficiency, because by centrally positioning energy producing features like a fireplace, kitchen stove, and even the sauna, the house is able to be heated faster in winter. And during summer, open spaces also allow for natural cooling through cross ventilation. Additionally, wet areas like the laundry and the mudroom are located on the northern side of the house to prevent mold. Utilizing natural convection is something that becomes important in homes with a tall ceiling, because that space will always accumulate warm air. So in summer, this is an advantage because there is somewhere for hot air to escape to. But in winter, this cycle is reversed to ensure that warm air can make its way down to the living space. And to do this, we have two powerful fans on the high ceilings to push warm air back down in winter, and then to draw cool air upwards in summer. They have a winter and summer cycle to allow for movement in both directions. The use of energy efficient appliances such as LED lighting, an efficient refrigerator, efficient spa, and an economical washing machine ensures that the home uses a lot less power than it generates. Because even though the solar system can provide more than enough electricity, limiting the power usage still allows for more power to be put back into the grid for others to benefit from. Rainwater collection is another really important feature of this home, because all roofs collect rainwater, so it only makes sense to add a water storage solution to help with saving this precious resource and to reduce the stress on stormwater drainage systems that redirect rainwater runoff. This home uses an intelligent water management system where the supply automatically switches to town water when the tank is running low. And one of the latest additions is the hybrid solar system. This system contributes to a more sustainable green energy future by reducing our reliance on coal. A hybrid solar system intelligently switches between using solar power, battery storage, and grid power based on the needs of the household. By oversizing this system, we were able to generate a lot more power than we need so that we can give the rest back to the grid. Throughout the build, natural and sustainable materials were used to construct this home to ensure a minimal footprint on the environment. As a key feature, the structural walls were built with timbercrete because it is a modern and environmentally friendly building material made with timber waste that would otherwise end up as greenhouse gases. Timbercrete is an Australian building system which was designed specifically to withstand the harsh Australian climate and to provide exceptional insulation properties that last the test of time. Magnesium oxide panels were also used on the ceilings and in the garage because they are great for insulation and structural integrity. Lime plaster and Italian Venetian plaster were also used on the walls instead of paint as a mold-resistant and artistic finish. And finally, Australian naturally termite-resistant timbers were used for the framing, staircase, balustrades, and most of the inbuilt furniture. An added benefit of having used natural and sustainable materials is that the home is hypoallergenic and mold-free, because these kinds of materials minimize health risks such as allergies, and they create a cleaner, more enjoyable atmosphere within the home.